Hi everyone, welcome to Sabre Virtual Demo, our brief videos explaining different features of Microsoft Business Central and ancillary and related products. This episode, a brief overview of Business Central and a little bit about who Sabre Limited is.
Who are we? Well, Sabre is a North America-wide Dynamics Business Central partner, exclusively focused on manufacturing and value-added companies. We've been in business since about 2002 and have worked with hundreds of manufacturing and distribution companies throughout the years. You can learn more about us at www.sabrelimited.com. Our specializations include engineered order, job shop, configured order, equipment service, commercial print, flexible packaging, label and tag printing, and folding carton, among others. For the last four, in addition to our out-of-the-box Business Central, we are also the leading implementer of PrintFiz, a specialty add-on for the print industry. If you apply inks to substrates, PrintFiz is the solution you need to look at. Finally, Sabre has developed a lean methodology for implementing manufacturing ERP that allows us to offer a fixed fee. This is really unique in the industry and our special claim to fame. This fixed fee implementation is based on our application of Six Sigma and process improvement, which allows us to create a fixed fee amount for all training, configuration, setup, design, and data loading support within the ERP. There is a small monthly retainer based on the size of your business during the duration of the project, which covers all the ad hoc questions, coaching requests, and project management. So now, let's jump into what is Dynamics, and in particular, what is Dynamics 365. There were 5 original Microsoft Dynamics products: Dynamics GP, or Great Plains, Dynamics NAV, or Navision, Dynamics SL, or Solomon, Dynamics AX, or Exapta, and Dynamics CRM. Of those 5 products, 3 have been ported to the cloud: Dynamics NAV, which became Business Central, Dynamics AX, which became Finance and Operations, and Dynamics CRM, which became Customer Engagement. If we look at Dynamics 365 today, there are 3 main groups. Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement, which is really a suite of products, primarily made up of their Dynamics 365 Sales and Dynamics 365 Customer Service products. It's very well positioned against Salesforce, a very high-end CRM solution. There are both enterprise and professional editions, and although Sabre works with both, we're focused on the professional edition. That's because it goes really well with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, which is the pillar of Microsoft's mid-market ERP line. Business Central is a new product based entirely on the Dynamics NAV product, which has been completely ported into the cloud. I believe actually that more than 100% of Dynamics NAV is in the cloud today because Business Central has begun to surpass it. This is Sabre's core specialty. Finally, Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations is the old AX product. It's now referred to as F&O, and it's a very high-end enterprise class ERP. It's targeted towards companies that are looking at SAP and Oracle as their ERP solution. And these companies need at least 250 employees, minimum. I would say that companies under $100 million revenue should not even bother looking at Dynamics 365 F&O. Sabre does not work with this product. Thank you for watching this video. Please follow our channel by clicking here, or click here for the next great video. We look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.